Of discipline and moral values. So today, at this moment, on behalf of the entire school, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for the plethora of dedication and service you have contributed for our education. We wish you all the best for the forthcoming years of your ministry.
Sisters, teachers, and my friends. My name is Pandan Prodor Sharma. I am from class 2. Today I am standing here to deliver a speech for our beloved headmistress, Sister Tanushree. At this farewell ceremony, I would like to speak about my feelings to her. She was our most dedicated teacher who always taught us to follow discipline. She was very supportive for everyone. She is very polite in speaking too. She was an excellent teacher and responsible for promoting the best techniques in the teaching sector. Her outstanding qualities have inspired everyone. You are a special person to all of us. We love you and we will greatly miss you. Thank you everyone for the opportunity to allow me to give this speech.
I love each one of you, my dear teachers and my dear students, and I will be missing you very, very much because I was feeling this is my home, and I could freely mix with you. I could.
For a little moment I can't speak because my feeling is something